Okay, for this assignment, we're going to make a copy of yours so I can work on it a little bit. Okay, so make a copy, a student copy. And what we have here is how much it costs to send a letter and the year when it costs that much. And we're going back all the way to 1885, it cost 2 cents to send a letter, all the way up to 2021 where it costs 58 cents to send a letter. And so we're going to look at the rate of increase, and we're going to see, if we look at the chart, that it's not linear. What we're going to try to do is to try to take pieces of it and make it linear. Right? What you can do is you can click on each of these points. So this point, for example, is 1885, 2 cents. 1898, 2 cents. 1919, still 2 cents. So no change in all those years. Right? 1925, 2 cents. 1952, 3 cents. And so it just went up in 25 years, went up 1 penny. But in terms of percentage, how much did it go up? So think about that. It went up from 2 to 3. So you might look at that as well. Right? So now we go back to this first page, and we'll say, so rate of change, okay. And so I guess what we'll do is let's copy this, and then we'll put this together, and not that, we'll put it back together. So, and let's also figure out the percent change. All right, so that's going to be different. Percent change. And let's see if we can do that. Okay, so from 1898 to 1919. So we go back to or actually you can just look here too, right? You don't have to look at the chart. So from 1898. So the rate of change is, so we're just going to do that as a division problem. So we'll say equals. Okay, so we'll do 1919 was 2 cents. So equals 0.02 minus 0.02 divided by the number of years. So 1919 minus 1898. Let's see if that, oh, so I'm missing the parentheses there. So 0, what you'd expect. Okay, so let's do a different one. So 1952 to 1968. So 6 take away 3. So this would be 0.06 minus 0.03. So it changed by 3 cents. So the price went up 3 cents. And that was from 1968 take away 1952. And that's nice to look at, right? But if I put an equal sign in front of it, then it will actually calculate it. And so we get, how much did it go up per year? So not even a penny a year. Right? So less than a penny a year. Okay? So let's look at the percentage change, though. Okay, so how is the percentage change different? So what we do is we take this same amount here. Okay, so this is something that we should have learned last year, is that we say it changed 6 cents, and what was the base? So the base price was 0.03. Okay, so I do the new price minus the old price, and let's say percent change was was 1, which is, but remember in percents, that's actually, so let's change this into a percent sign. So it's 100%. And then, but the last thing is, let's do percent change per year. Okay, so the price went up 100%, but over a course of 16 years. Okay, so how much change is that per year? Okay, so we're going to say equals what's in the previous one, so that's what's equal to F8. Okay, so that computation, how much was the percent change, divided by the change in years, right? The change in years was 1968 minus 1952. 60%. That doesn't seem right, does it? So F8 divided by, I might have to calculate it out again. So I think it should be 100 divided by 16. Oh, okay. So we'll type it in. See what happens if we do that. So 100 divided by 1968 minus 752. That's not right. Oh, order of operations. Order of operations there. You can see how. So the problem is we have to have this subtraction. Right, so see, there you go. Even right. There we go, 6.25. Let's see if we can put in the, what happens if we put in F8. 0.06, so, and we can make that into a percent if we want. So we hit a percent. In other words, 6% per year. Okay. So do that for these other ones as well. So how much did it change on average per percent change per year? Yeah. All right, so try.